Dr. Chandra, we can begin this.
Yeah, thank you. So, dear friends, so today we are going to see the interaction analysis. Meanwhile, I want you to download few softwares, right? The first software would be Discovery Studio. Have you heard of Discovery Studio?
No.
No? Okay. You type in Google Discovery Studio. You guys try. If you want the link, I'll share in the chat. Give me a minute, I'll put in chat. Okay. So it's a free one. The viewer is free, but you have to register with your professional email. Does everyone have professional email? Those who are not having, no props. We have an online version also. Okay. Those who are having professional email, try to register. This Discovery Studio. So latecomers, what I'm trying to say is try to install the software in your system. Its name is called Discovery Studio. The link is provided in the chat. Those who are completed the installation, please raise your hands. For others, keep doing. And I will also share another software link called LitPlot. This will be applicable for only academic version again. So Ms. Bhavani, I request you to have a poll so that let me know how many of them are having academic versions, academic email ID.
Yeah, sure. Give me a minute, I will do it.
Thank you. So everyone answers the poll. Let me see the majority. Yes, Ajita, you are right. We can visualize the interaction. Yes. So a poll will be created because in both the softwares we need academic email IDs. Give a try. Take the first 5 minutes. Give a try. If not, no props. We will go for an online version. If you guys face any issues in installation, please let me know. So I can see academic ID is with 8 people. Half of the people is having academic ID. Yes, you guys can have a try. Others, don't worry. In future, if you are getting any academic ID, you can try using the softwares. Or I can say a shortcut. there are some crack questions. You can find it, but it is not advisable because we can't send them for publications. Or another idea for these people who are not having ideas, not now, but later on, you can request your friends who are working in some institutions to provide their email ID so that you can install the software. Okay. So those who are installed, the 7 people, those are installed, please raise your hands if the installation is done.
Dr. Chandru, hope half of the population has academic ID. I could say 10 out of 70.
Great. 10 people are having. Good.
Yeah.
Good. So 10 people, once you are done, you can raise your hands. Meanwhile, we'll start the session with the free version. Fine. Why I've said in the starting is because before we proceed, it will be in the site. Fine. So you all remember where we stopped yesterday? Yes, where we stopped.
The different docking positions, I guess.
So we completed the docking, correct? Yeah. So we completed the docking, and I told the docking will be available in a particular folder. So does everyone access the folder? You guys can see the folder? No? It should be yes, correct? You guys can access the folder. Am I right? Come on, open that folder. Ms. Bhavani, I'm having a problem. Like I couldn't include the file in the folder. I do not know why suddenly.
Sorry?
I'm
Please
trying
come.
to I'm trying to include the manual inside the
In
folder,
both the inside the folder of which drive?
like a 3 months drive.
Okay. Okay. Let
It's
me check.
asking for permission.
Let me check.
Or may I do one thing? I'm sharing to you. Can you please share in the manual folder?
Yeah, sure. Definitely I can do that.
Yes, I'm putting in CAD group.
In meantime, I will try to sort the issue also.
Yes. Thank you. So, dear students, you will be getting this manual soon. Meanwhile, you try to open the folder where we left yesterday in Pyrex. Those who can access the files, please raise your hands.
Dr. Chandra, access has been given to you, and I didn't receive any file from you yet. Are you sharing it with me, or are you going to directly share?
I'm sharing in your WhatsApp.
Okay.
Is that fine? Web WhatsApp.
Yeah, that's fine.
Ah.
Yeah, I received it.
Yes.
And also, access has been given to you, and you can directly share it. Okay, in
Yeah.
future, you
Yes.
just share.
I want to share one more paper that I will share directly there.
Yeah, fine. That would be okay.
So meanwhile, I can see only few hands. What happened? I've seen some. See, my dear friends, please raise your hands if you can able to access the folders, please. Am I audible, everyone? Everyone are very tired? Not active. Okay, can someone say how to access the folder from the software? I have a doubt whether I'm speaking alone. I am not receiving any response. Yes, preference. Yes, you're right, Nala. So go to preferences, correct? Yes, open. Okay, good. Go to preferences. Once you go to preference, what will happen? No answer again. So I'll show mine. So there will be three folders. Hope my screen should be visible now. There will be three folders. Among the three folders, okay, among the three folders, access the folder. Of your macromolecule. You remember the macromolecule? What is the macromolecule name? I would be very happy if someone is answering.
Z Y3_A.
Yes. Yes, correct. 4Z Y3 and the ligand will be acacidin. The first step you guys have to do is you have to open this. Click and open. Meanwhile, you might have checked in your manuscript. Sorry, in your report. Sorry, in your manual. Open your manual.
Okay, is this for the complex?
Yes, for the complex, both the complex won't be there. There will be two different files. Right? One file will be your PDBQT of your protein. And the another file will be the out. You can see _out of the acacidin.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay.
So two files will be there, and there is a confirmation file with this auto generated.
Should I open the one for the out or the one for configuration? Which one should I open?
So I couldn't hear you properly. Please come
I
again.
said, should I open the one that is out, that has extension out, or I should open the configuration?
You are not seeing any folder name like this?
Yes, yes, I've opened it already. Yes, I've opened that folder.
Yeah, open now. Fine. In that folder, go. Yes, you have opened, right? That should be two files. Yes, thank you. So drag this file inside.
Okay. So I should open my PyMod too. So I went to open PyRx.
Not Pyrex. You have to open through PyMod.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, but I wonder why it is so far.
Can we view this one under Discovery Studio too?
Can you please come again? Sorry for that.
I said, can we view the complex under Discovery Studio?
Yes, definitely we can view. But before that, we have to save the complex. We have to save the complex. For example, I'll show, first of all, let us show the manual. My dear friends, I think by now you might have received the manual. Please open the manual.
Okay, is the manual available now?
Yes, in the manual, I told three files will be there, right? Okay, the files will be ligand.out. The ligand name might be anything, but it should end with a term called .out. Clear? Same way, you will also have another file name of your protein. So open them both in the same PyMol. That's your first task. And you
Where
should
is it now on the material?
sorry.
Where is it on the study mat? Is it day 9 or manual?
This is in manual folder. Should be there in manual folder. No?
Okay.
No, it's in manual folder only, right?
Yeah, manual folder only. Please check. There is no 9.3, I guess. You go to manual folder, Vladimir.
Valdemar, could you please go to the manual folder of the drive? Inside that, you have a manual named day 9. It should be manual underscore day 9.
And friends, those who can able to open this and you're getting an image like what I have shown, you can raise your hands. This is a very crucial step. This is the first step. Yes, Tanvin can do. Very good. Ms. Bhavani, I think many people are saying no manual. Kirtana, Brusta.
Yes, Dr. Chandru, they are 15 days participants. So hopefully might have already uploaded to them, right? No?
Wait, I will check. I'll upload.
Yes, I think this manual is different for both the batches, if I'm not wrong.
No. This manual
The
is
same, right?
common. Because
Common manual.
yeah,
Yeah.
you can share them. What I did is for a 3 months program, we are given a separate protein, but they will work
Okay.
on
Yeah,
anyway.
I got that.
Hmm.
Let me then upload it for that.
Yes.
Yes, can you please refresh and check now?
Everyone, please refresh and check.
Let me also add it in the Telegram group.
It's quite easy. You can take the manual. Meanwhile, you can also open the folders.
Yes, manual has been uploaded in Telegram also. Please check that.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, in Leak Plus, I'm getting compressed copy, and in that, which software I have to install, I'm not able to get it. Means in Leak Plus, there are EXE Win and EXE Win 32 and Max 64 and all also. So,
Yeah, it's quite simple, right? What's your OS?
uh, Windows 64 bits are it's
Yeah, go for
64
that.
is not there. 32 and only Windows is there. Both are applicable or
Yeah, go to Windows. Windows 32 is there. Windows is there. Go for Windows.
okay, sir.
Yeah, go for Windows, please.
And sir, there are total five softwares: Leakplot, Leakfit, HB Plus, HB Add, uh, Dimer, and DM HTML.
Please go for link plot.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You guys can open, please keep your hands raised only. I can see only 2 hands.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can you able to help me? I'm not able to run the setup file.
Can you try with the Discover Studio, please? If you couldn't do
Yes,
that.
sir. Yes, sir. Discovery Studio is done.
Yeah. Okay. This is an additional thing only. You can please wait. Okay. When I'm coming for Lick Plus, I'll definitely help you because half of the population is not having that. This is an additional.
Okay, sir.
Discovery Studio, and there is another thing called PLIP that is very important. If you're having both, that is more than enough.
It's a what last you are repeated?
I'm not getting your question. Come again.
You were saying something Discovery Studio and some more software.
Yeah, that I'll discuss, man. That
Okay,
I'll
okay.
discuss. That's the manual. That is called
Okay, sir.
PLI P3.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. I can see only 5 hands. What happened to others? Yes, please proceed. Like, any doubts? Okay, the online tool is called PLIP. That is in the manual. And for answering Mr. Onlapo, don't worry if you couldn't find a Lickplot installation difficult. We can do it later. There's an additional thing only. The major thing we'll focus is Discovery Studio. You can try with that. Can we proceed further? But I can see only 5 hands. Why? What about others? Why you guys are facing difficulty? You can text me. Why you guys are facing difficulty? Let me do it again. So I'm doing it again. Listen carefully. Yeah, others can lower your hands. Thank you. See, you will be having 2 files, as I said. Okay, try to click and open that file. First, you open your protein. If you are having a default option of opening the protein, that is fine. If not, you can double click and open it. Okay, once you open the protein, you can drag your ligand file inside. If you are finding it tough to drag, the easy option is file, open. Either way, should see a complex like this. I have seen 5 hands have raised. Others, is that fine? I proceed further. As instructed, don't worry about your link plot now. If you could success, it's okay. If not, leave it. Focus here. So everyone can see, right? Yeah. Thank you, Birista. We can move to the next step. You can lower your hands. Thank you. Visruta. Okay. The next step is, this is not a single model. My dear friends, there are 9 models here. See, can you see a dynamics? See, there will be a play button. If you observe my arrow, below there will be a play button. If you play it, it will show the all possible 9 conformations. Or if you want to view one by one, you have to click 1, 2, 3. Or I'll do one more thing for your easy understanding. You also can click sequence. Okay, if you click sequence, you can see it's keep on changing. What it means is, we told, right? We gave the S-castiness as 8. So it have chosen 9 possible things. Out of these 9 conformers, I want only one, the first conformer. That is the best conformer. Clear? So for that, what I will do is, I will go to File, Export Molecule, and save as it is. See, I'm going to save as enabled. I'm not going to make any changes. I'll repeat again. I'll go to File, Export Molecule, and save. Okay. The only thing you have to make changes, you have to change the PDB here. It's not PDBX, it's PDB. Clear? So you can save your complex. So I'm saving 4ZY3 underscore acacitin. Like that, you guys have to work upon your protein and ligand. So once you save, you can open that folder and check. The file and check. In that new file, you have to find only one. There's not 9. See, there will be only one complex and one ligand. That should be the case. There should be only one protein and one ligand, not like previous. If you are achieving this, good, we save the complex. Clear? Any doubt in it? Come on, give a try.
So can you repeat the step?
Yes. Does all of your molecule is not? I'll come back. Vladimir, is your protein is not fitting inside? It's for everyone. The protein is not fitting inside. Okay. What I did is, I have.
Sorry.
Yes. Yeah.
Please, how did you save the first one? Because when I saved my own, I saved the whole configurations again. So how can I save only the one, the best of all the configuration?
That's why there are 2 methods. As I said in the manual, you can drag everything and save as it is. You can rename and select as complex. If not, an easy method is Okay, I'll say both the methods. The first method is what I told just few minutes back. Like, see, we have 9 complexes, right?
Yes, sir.
We have 9 complexes. So you have to stop with the first complex. Simply in the first complex, easy shortcut is file, export. If it's your new PyMol, there will be a thing called export structure. Inside export structure, there will be export molecule. Okay. In that, don't change your options. Don't change any of your options. Let it be enabled. The default options. Save as it is. Save as it is. And below, you please change the type. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, it should be, yeah, to having a different name and going for a cassetin. Either that way. If you feel it tough, another simple way, okay, this is a tough way. Another way is I can change the mode. Okay. I can select the first protein ligand as shown in the manual. So both of them I have chosen and I am renaming here. Renaming them as complex. So I'm ensuring that only these 2 things I have chosen. Then I can give file, export molecule, and whatever I rename, I'm choosing that and saving it. This is another way. But always remember, you have to save your first file, not the all file. Clear? You give a try. If not, no worries. I'll share this protein in the Google Drive. But anyhow, you can give a try and I'll wait for, you can give, you can answer in by raising your hands if you're done. Meanwhile, any doubts, please let me know. Any doubts so far? You have to achieve till this stage. Save a separate file. Good. Tanvin have achieved it. What about others? Good, Kitana. My question for those who are raised the hands, are you getting like similar image? Like your protein is inside, ligand is inside? Are you getting a distance one? Yeah, good. If it's inside, then we have done well. I can see only 3 hands. What happened to others? Please, those who are done, keep your hands raised. Don't lower it. We can wait for 2 more minutes. If not, I'm sharing the complex in the group. Please make use of this opportunity if you're having any doubts. Yeah, why Java package to run the file? Indranil, you are saying a very new query. You're trying to install Pymol. In Pymol, why do you need Java? So you're okay, you're trying to answer plot. No, that is a different case. Others, what's your status? Can you please update us? Ms. Bhavani, are you there? We need a help.
Yes, Dr. Chandra. Yeah.
The thing is, like I could be able to put in 15 days, I think.
Okay.
But Google Drive for, 30 day, I think Google Drive is not opening for me. I have created a folder called day 9. Just a minute, I'll
Day
show
9
you.
is, have you uploaded it in 15 days internship program, right?
That I have confusion. Just a minute, I'm showing this folder. Can you guess
Okay.
from?
Yeah, yeah.
Like there will be a folder called day 9. Another folder I couldn't access. Dear participants, everyone see my folder, right? What I'm trying to say, those who couldn't achieve it, go to this folder.
I got it, Chandra. I will just upload it another drive as well.
Thank you. Thank you. So the complex is uploaded. Please start working in it. One group got uploaded, another group, please wait. Meanwhile, you can ask the doubts. What the toughness you are facing? Are you guys are actively involving? I can see only 2 to 3 people involved. What happened to others? The link have been shared. Please go and open the link. And the file have been shared. Please open the file. So come on, you should have a file like this. Please, everyone, those who are ready with the file, please raise your hands either by yourself or from the software, sorry, from the drive. By any means, if you got this file, please raise your hand. I'm waiting for your response to proceed further. So the file should be finally looking like this. Done? Can we proceed? 10 people have raised your hands. Good. Yeah. The next step would be we are trying to save an image of it. To save an image of it, that I taught you. You can lower your hands. Thank you all. To save the image of it, first of all, we have to color the protein. Okay. Come on, you guys are going to help me. Kirtana, you can lower your hands. Thank you. Yes. Yes. What do you have to do? Come on, help me. How can I color the protein? Why today's session is so quiet? How can I color the protein? What I should do?
So we have to take the chains.
Yeah, I have to collect, select the chains.
Yeah.
Okay. Instead of dragging like this, there is any smart way?
Maybe display and then chains, and then we can decide which chain we want to.
Very good, very good. That's a smart way. But here one small defect is both of the molecules considered as a single chain. That's a problem. So in this case, that is not possible, but you are right. Sequence mode, it is possible. Okay. So as of now, I selected. I'll show because since we saved as the same thing, all together will show us a single chain. Okay, good. It's showing different, two chains. Fine. Let us go with your way. So suggested by, is Vladimir or Onalapo? Who suggested me?
Vladimir.
Yeah, Vladimir. Thank you. So as Vladimir suggested, we are going with display, sequence mode, chain identifiers. Please come and do that. Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt you for a second. I'm having another issue. When I'm clicking on the link to the drive, now it's saying that the file is in owner's trash and I can't access it anymore. It's saying to restore the files again from the manual, from the Google Drive link.
Is it
I
so?
don't know if the others are having the same issue.
Please refresh again and check.
Whether this is for all the other participants? 15
You
days
have-
participants, any one of you, please give a confirmation.
No, I managed to download and upload the file.
Okay. Chaudhary, could you please check at your end?
1 second.
If not, please check with Telegram, that for time being. I've also uploaded it in Telegram.
I can't access it at the moment, but it's okay for
can do
now.
one. You
Yeah,
can
it's
do
in
one.
Telegram. Yeah, it's in
Kindly
Telegram.
download it from Telegram. Later on, if you cannot access it, please contact me via admin team. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Chaudhary, meanwhile, you can go and take it's easy. 2 minutes job. Okay. See, thing is, we have to go and change the display as suggested by Vladimir, like display, sequence mode, chain identifiers. Now I can choose the chain. And always it's a wise decision to rename the chain and keep it easy. Okay. I'm renaming as protein or 4ZY3. See, the best part of renaming is I can do the changes only for this folder, this particular chain, not for the entire chain. And N is the ligand. Okay. It is acacetin. I'm putting just lick. Now, I want to give us an ash color. So I'm going to color gray from 80%. Now I told you about two views. First of all, let us take the view of this. Okay. For taking the view, always I prefer to change the background. Display background white. Come on, everyone. Display background white. You also can try some different colors. Like cyan is there. Okay. I always prefer some mild colors. Someone will have a very bright color. But for a protein being a big molecule, try for some mild colors. Okay. It's up to you. Whatever you can choose. Like once you're done with that, you have to save it. So what's the way to save it? Always see, before that, I'll suggest you one thing. Try to save the session. You can save different sessions. Okay. For example, this session is called, this session particularly, I'll save it as 4ZY3. I'll make day. I'll make it fast. Like I'll make it 4ZY3 ribbon model or yes, cartoon. The correct term is to cartoon. I'm putting cartoon. I've saved. So what's the advantage of saving the session file? Even your file, mistakenly, if you are closing this, right? Even if you're mistakenly closing this, we can easily start from where we left. Clear? So I've saved in the day 9 folder where I can open easily. This is one way. See, everything is changed now. No need to do from the beginning. That's the advantage of session file. Why I'm saving this? In future, if you're going for any report purpose, you can't take the image as it is. Then there will be an icon called license expired. Rather, you give the session file to me, send us to in Drive. We will change and give an image. Clear? So I'll put Ray space 1800. Okay. Or I will have a smart way, I'll keep on generating again and again so that this license expire will be moved somewhere. I can rub. But anyhow, it's okay. Say send the session file.
Just a
Now, how to
question,
save this image?
where we can put this array 1800 to change the resolution. I mean, I don't have that bar.
That should be some where you can. This is called command input area.
Uh-huh.
Check where it might be a new PyMol. Let me show you. I'm also having the new session of PyMol. You are having this version of PyMol. Just give me a minute. It's loading. How many of you are having this version of PyMol? If you're having this version of PyMol, it will be the below. Can you see some command input area? Correct? Yeah, you guys can give here. Got it? Yes, I repeat again.
How can I change the color of the protein? I'm finding it difficult, yes, sir.
Oh, you are finding it difficult to change the color. Have you renamed like this? Have you renamed this side?
No, I've not renamed it.
Okay. That if you are renamed properly, then you click this color, C button.
I can't see your cursor.
Color. Can you see a C button here?
Okay, yeah. Yes.
Let's see button, choose or in any color. If you want, you can choose any color.
Okay.
Then generally I'll prefer for mild colors, right? You should see like this. Once you're done with that, then you have to give the ray option. Ray 1800.
I don't know why my own is not changing. I tried changing the color, but it's not affected on the thing. I don't know why.
I think you're not saved the thing properly. You want to share your screen?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, please share your screen. I'll help you. What about others? Those you able to change the color, please change the color and give ray option. Just please wait. I'll show one more step. Like after that, export images PNG. Clear? Come on, everyone, export and change the PNG. Those who save the PNG file, give me a thumbs up. Sorry, raise your hands. Yes, Mr. Ronalapo, you can share your screen. Who is asking? Vladimir or Ronalapo? Do you have access to share? Yeah, I can
Yes,
see
I've
it.
done that already.
Yeah. Come on. Now, first of all, rename. Have you renamed? Yes, you are renamed. Where you are renamed? I couldn't see any name. The reason is you select properly. Click it. Click the chain. No, you're not chosen properly. That's a problem here. Do one thing. Go to display, sequence mode, residue codes. Residue codes, first one. Now drag the entire protein. You can keep the, no, not like that, not scrolling. Dragging means click on the G and hold the mouse. Click on G. The first icon, man, first amino acid. Click on first amino acids. Kindly hold the mouse and drag it. Yes, drag till the end. This is the way you have to choose. You can scroll now. You can leave the mouse. No, nothing will happen. It will be there. Drag the scroll bar. Below white color bar is there, no? Drag it, yes. Yes. Now you can start from where you left. Click properly from where you left. No, don't disturb the in between one. Let me do one thing. You're struggling, like choose display. Sequence. Before that, can you do a favor? Click in the central black button somewhere. Yeah. Now again, go to display. Sequence mode. Chain identifiers.
Codes or names.
No, chain identifiers, third one. Yes, now click A. Let me see. Now we are selecting the entire thing. Click A. Click the chain A. Don't click somewhere random. You are making a mistake. Why are you clicking somewhere random? Click A. A. Chain A. First one. Yes. Yeah, now the entire protein is selected. Now come on, rename. Action. See, can you see a thing called SCLE? Yeah, click there. Mr. Nolapo, just observe carefully. SCLE is there. Now last one, SCLE. Select. Below that. Yeah, go to action. Yes. Now rename selection. This is not only for him. Those who are struggling, please listen. Press backspace. There will be a button called backspace. Please press it.
Backspace.
Yeah, in your keyboard.
I only have enter, tab.
No, there should be a thing called backspace. Definitely there will be there. BACK, backspace should be there. Might be in your keyboard. I do not know what name it might be.
Okay. Yeah. I know it has. Okay.
Yes. Hey, don't choose somewhere else, man. Go to SCLE. Click in the middle bar. Click middle. Somewhere middle. Yeah, now press backspace. No, you left it. Again, go to select. Action. We are running out of time. Please cooperate. Yes. Rename selection. Yes. Come on, press backspace. No, man, you are pressing something else, not backspace. Okay, leave it. I'll do one more thing. Let it be select itself. Yeah. Yeah, you got it now. Delete everything. Keep on pressing backspace. Yes, type. Make it fast. Type 4ZY3.
I didn't hear you well, please.
Please type the protein name 4ZY3 PDB ID.
Yes.
This is the way we have to read it.
I
Any name.
see.
Okay, fine. Enough. Enter. Now you go to colors of the same thing. Yes. Can you color now?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. You're most welcome. Yes. You can stop sharing. The remaining thing is easy. Again, I see only 4 hands. What happened, my dear friends? Anyone need help like Mr. Onalapo? If you want help, you guys can share your screen. 8 people done. I'm happy. What about David, Laya? You guys are passive listeners. Philip, if you guys are working, please let me know. I'll help you if you couldn't save like that. Yeah, okay, fine. We got 10 participants. Done. Let us proceed further. Thank you. You can lower your hands. Okay, so you should get like this. You should have saved the image. Same way, make it fast. You can also change the change the view of the
Chandra, for your kind information, your screen has not been shared.
Oh, thank you, thank you. See, I totally forgot. See, thank you. Yeah. See, guys, once we are having this, what you have to do is, yes, thank you all. You can lower your hands. Yes, thank you, Vladimir. You can lower your hands. What you have to do is, come on, change the surface. So how will you change the surface? Can you help me? Where I should click among the 4 buttons, 5 buttons? It's none other than show. Show surface. Come on, click it. You should see like this. Once done, the same steps. You have to type Dre space 1800. See, you are not having a good graphics card in your system. Don't go for 1800. Rather, you can go for 720. Clear? Then you can export the image. This is the first step of viewing the interaction. That is very, very important. Okay. This is 4ZY3 surface. Once you are saving that, you also can save the session separately. Save session as. Instead of cartoon, you can save the session as surface. This representation is called surface representation. Once you're done with both session saving and image saving, now you guys can give me a thumbs up to ensure. So not thumbs up, hand raise. The problem with thumbs up, it's disappearing soon. That's why I'm asking for hand raise. Yes.
When I'm trying to put the array 1800, I'm not getting anything.
You
Like
have to
I'm
wait.
looking.
Yeah, see, the thing is, it'll since your system might have a low resolution graph, I do not know about your system. You have to wait for a few minutes. You should not disturb the system.
Okay. Okay.
Or that's why I suggested don't give 1800, rather you give 720.
Okay.
Yeah, try again. See, I'm having a dedicated graphics card for memory. That's why it's somewhat okay. So 7 people got done. What about others? Do you need my help? We are there to help you. 8 people done. Yes. Kindly don't raise your hands for namesake. If you are really done, please raise your hand so that we can help you. We want 3 more to be done. Aruna, are you there? Bhavana, are you there? Chaudhary, what happened? You are the first one to finish. What happened now? Indranil, are you there?
I just lowered my hand, that's all.
Oh, please keep your hands raised. What happened to Karthik, Priyadarshini, Vladimir? Vladimir, you are facing any problem? You want my help?
It's still the same.
Yeah. Meanwhile, I'll say one thing. It's transparent image. To make this image with a white background, you have to open in Paint. Okay. There will be an option in Paint. Once you open in Paint, you can convert the format. See, now this is the format of PNG. And you also know, in the Paint, we have an option for cropping. You can crop the image. You can crop the image as it is. You can crop the image. More importantly, we have came to Paint for not only cropping, we came to change the background. By how can we change the background? It's already in transparent background. To change the background, say change the format. Save as JPG. Yeah, once you change in JPG format, if you open that, you can see here. There will be no white background. Okay, thank you all. You can lower your hands. Thank you all. Now let us move on to a very important thing called interaction analysis. Can we move? See, if we finish it fast, we can discuss about the project. And tomorrow we will have an exclusive session for how you guys can carry out the projects. Fine. But of course, I want to hear group wise progress. So let us finish it fast. Come on. So now our complex is ready. Clear? Our 4Z Y3 complex is ready. This complex, now we have to pull into a server called PLIP. What is PLIP? Guys, you can see from the manual. It is called protein ligand interaction profile. But what is the standard format people require is ligplot. But unfortunately, this ligplot version requires an academic license. Okay. First, let me go with the easy options for everyone. The alternate options is Discovery Studio. And the next option will be PLIP. So let me start with the easily option called PLIP. To assess this, just type in, just copy paste this in Google. Make it fast and go to the first link. You should see an home page like this. Once you see the home page, you have to drag your file here. See, there's an option called drop your file or choose the file. So always I love to play.
So,
Yes.
sir, can you please tell me like what is the purpose of doing this interaction study?
Okay, sure, I'll say. But meanwhile, in the previous classes, we have discussed about protein ligand interaction. You remember? Are you
Yes,
present
sir.
for the class?
Yes,
we have
sir.
said about different interactions like protein. Sorry, we have discussed about non-covalent interactions such as hydrogen bond, hydrophobic interactions, salt bridges. Correct?
Yes, sir.
We are going to view that. See,
Okay,
our first thing will be binding energy that we acquired from doing Pyrex. We have to note down that value. The second thing will be this interaction analysis. Clear? And I'll provide you the template. At the end of the class, I'll provide you the template to fill the table. Either now or I'll do in my discussion session. Fine. Because we have 2 more sessions, important sessions. Okay, tomorrow sessions about the project and after that there will be a doubt clarification session. In that I'll show the template. Okay, for simplicity, I'm putting this in chat. Those who couldn't open, please go to chat and click this and open. Make it fast. After you're doing this, you should be able to drag your complex file. See, don't drag your session file. The initial complex, okay, where we saved. That file you drop here. And you have to click analyze. Come on. Those who are done with that, raise your hands. And wait for a job to be done.
Which of the stuff are we to upload on the website?
Yes, the link is given in your chat. Click that and you have to upload the PDB. You should get a result like this in a couple of minutes. Those who are done, please keep your hands raised. Give me a minute, I will have my water and cup. Meanwhile, please upload.
Please, I didn't get you, sir.
Yeah. What's your doubt? No.
The link you gave us, what should we upload there? Is it the image that we saved or which one?
No, it's very clear, the PDB file. You remember about this initial complex?
Okay.
Yeah, that file. See, this is the initial complex we saved from our PyMol results, right? Sorry,
Yes.
The Pyrex results. That complex you have to drag inside.
But it's in
this.
PDB-QT.
No, you might have saved now, in this beginning of the session. You remember, we have saved from 9 complexes into 1 complex.
Yes.
See, to avoid this, have a separate folder. My dear friends, this is not for you, it's for everyone. Always maintain a separate folder and drag your files here. Okay, so it'll avoid confusion. Once you are done with that, this particular file, what I'm showing here, these are session files. You don't need of this. I'm saying about the initial file. Clear? This initial file you have to drag inside here. Either drag or you can upload. It's up to you. So once you drag, please click the button, analyze. I can see only 10 hands. What happened to others? Good. 12 people have completed. I'm good. Happy for you. You can lower your hands. So what you can observe from this particular image? What are the important components you can observe? Come on, browse through and check. What this is saying to us? Anyone from the group? Can you say what this is saying to us?
About the interaction, hydrophobic and hydrogen bonds.
Yes, hydrophobic hydrogen bond is there. Okay, what else? Good. Okay, that interaction that they are saying. Apart from that, what other inputs they are giving us? Can you see a PSE file, session file?
ESC file.
Yeah, they are saying they are showing us a session file. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, kindly download that session file. That session file is provided by PLIP themselves. Okay.
Is it the result in XML format or RST format?
Yeah, okay. That is a different view, but we don't want that. Okay.
So which one do we want?
We want to download PSE file. Come on, download that PSE file. PSE file and PNG file. Please open that. You're done with that?
Yes.
Yeah. Once you're done with that, same way, you download the image file also.
The image is PNG.
Yes, the image is PNG file. Yes.
It is downloaded already too.
Yeah. Now, come on, say how many hydrogen bonds were there? How many amino acids are involving a hydrogen bond?
Hydrogen bonds, we have 7.
Yeah. So, see, hydrogen bond is quite simple, right? It is a bond between hydrogen atom and what atom?
Nitrogen, oxygen, electronegative elements.
Yes. You're getting the point? Hydrogen, oxygen, and an electronegative element. Clear. Now, there is another important thing to be observed. Apart from this, we have to note on this value. See, generally, this is not the right way to exhibit. Okay, so we have to tabulate the results. So I will share you a template in the drive. There you can tabulate the results. Fine. Okay. Meanwhile, you guys can open the session file and view it.
Okay.
Now you have downloaded the session file, right? Can we view the
Yes.
session file? Open in PyMol, please. We are going to compare these results with the table. So open in PyMol.
Okay,
Can you
done.
see this?
Yes.
See, don't worry about this orientation. This orientation is because the PLIP have constructed it. Okay. This can be easily corrected. There is a shortcut for it. Trick for it. The trick is we can remove this unknown ligand and open our out. Guys, have you observed what I done so far? Do you want me to repeat?
Please repeat. I didn't get you.
Oh, please repeat, sir.
Yeah. See, I'll close and I start from the beginning. See, two things we had. The first thing is the session file. Have you opened the session file? The session file, what we acquired from PLIP. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So we are getting a screen like this. Am I right? Now, we have saved a PSE file. You remember? See, we have saved 3 files. You all can see the folder. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, in that open the cartoon. Sorry. In that open the general file. Like we have saved like this. If you remember properly, we have saved like this. See, a simple. I have opened session file. Followed by that, I open the initial file.
Huh?
Let me open a separate file. This file and that file I open together. That's the concept here. Okay, I'll go one more time.
Okay.
How many of you got like this?
But do we need to remove anything from the cartoon of the one we just downloaded, the PSC file?
That will appear as it is, because these people have defined in that way. Wait, I'll come again. First of all, say yes, everyone. Whether you download the session file, you got us a file like this. Observe very carefully. I'm doing it slow. Yes, this session file, please put in the working directory. Okay, I'm opening the session file. First of all, confirm everyone whether you're seeing a screen like this. Everyone can see a screen like this?
Yes.
Okay. The next
Yes,
step
sir.
should be go to, yeah, everyone can see, right? Go to sequence and remove this UNL. How to remove this UNL is click that, right click, remove. Click that, right click, remove. Quite simple. Click that, right click, remove. Done.
Yes.
Now, the next step is go to file, open. Here you have to open your initial PDB file. Then you can see like this. Come on, try. Once you guys achieve like this, you'll see a same color what I have saved. Once you achieve like this, you can give me a hand raise. Good. People are following me. Yes, I'm happy for that.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Just to clarify, like in your screen when I saw your flip results, it had hydrophobic interaction is only 3.
Okay.
Why you had one result? For me, it shows 3 hydrophobic interactions. Why is it that?
Is it 3 hydrophobic interactions for most of you? It differs. See, the thing is, might be in the algorithm wise, you might have chosen something else. Right? And now one more thing, the software, no, what we have Pyrex, we have to do repeated times. Generally, people will ask for duplicates or triplicates. So software may do an error, or you might have mistakenly chosen some other options while you're running docking. In that case, I'm getting more interactions. Clear?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, because it's multi-step process.
Just a question, how you remove the central structure?
That you have to choose that and remove. Choose and right click and remove.
Okay.
See, for example, this like this, right click and remove. Okay. Okay, 9 people have achieved it. Happy for it.
In my own, I have the ligand inside again.
You couldn't delete it?
Yeah, the ligand is inside. Okay, it's like yours. It's like yours. It's like yours. Okay.
Yeah, then fine. I want only like this because this ligand is perfect. Okay. Now, once you're done, okay, thank you all. You can lower your hands. Once you guys done, now we are going to label this. So their session file themselves have given Okay, once you loaded this, I always advise go to file immediately and save this session, because this will be added in that session file. Each and every time save this file, save the session file. Guys, now can you understand what is happening here? The side chains of this protein is interacting with the ligand. You're getting the point? The side chains of protein is what? Is interacting with what?
With the ligand.
Yeah, the ligand. To know it very better, see there will be a UNL. That cyan color UNL. Click that. Okay. Click that. Yeah. Then you have to rename it as ligand. This is for our simplicity. Why I am renaming is I am going to label it separately. Label atom name. Can you see the
Can you
atom
please,
name?
can
Yeah,
you please repeat it again, sir?
Sure. What I'm doing is I'm choosing this. Can you see the ligand? My arrow mark is visible. Is my arrow
Okay.
mark is visible? Yes. I'm choosing this. Then
Okay.
there will be select button. SCLE will be appearing. Okay. That SCLE, you have to click action and rename. As like previous. And you can give your own name. I gave as ligand. Fine. Once I done with that, I'll go to label and click this atom name. Clear? And you should see an atom name like this over the top, where you can observe these are oxygen atoms. These are what? Oxygen atoms. I'll make a very quick theory. Since we are running out of time, I couldn't explain much, but I'll make a very quick theory about hydrogen bonding. Can you all see? Hydrogen bond is none other than it's an interaction between an oxygen and hydrogen, nitrogen and hydrogen. Can you all see here? My screen.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the hydrogen bond.
Yes.
Yeah. It's a hydrogen bond between hydrogen and their electronegative group. It can be with different, if you study your periodic table, okay, you might have remembered about oxygen, fluorine, nitrogen. These are common electronegative atoms. But in biological systems like protein, we have only mostly nitrogen and oxygen. Clear? So I'm going back. That's what happened here. If you look at atomic wise, each and every atom is interacting. See, there are 3 bonds with this. Now you can correlate these results. Before correlating these results, I suggest you to label the structures also. Can you see the button called structures where I'm clicking? So friends, go to structures label and label the residues. But unfortunately, you will get the residues of the entire protein. It will be a clumsy one. Correct? So to avoid that clumps, what you guys can do, it's like a newspaper, right? So to avoid that clumps, the better way is click one icon, each icon, and rename. I just rename only one. Remaining you can rename later. Take it as a group activity. Okay. Take it as a group activity. Say I'm demonstrating for known protein and ligand. But for in your case, we have to work more. See, when you involve in this kind of creation, definitely your manuscript or report is going to look very good. Okay, publication quality. Click this icon, go to action and rename again. Can someone brilliantly say what this amino acid is? And what is the position of my amino acid? You guys can see something is selected here in your screen.
So it's isoleucine.
Very good. What is the atomic number? What is the position number of isoleucine?
So it's indicating 556 or
556 is this. So 557, 58, 59. Clear? It's isoleucine 559. Clear?
yes, sir.
So I will name like this I559. I named it. Now I can label only this. Label residues. Can you see the labeling here? Isoleucine 559 is labeled. Can you see here? Should be visible. Clear? Now what you can say, this isoleucine 559 is interacting with, so they are making a hydrogen bond. I think this dashed line is not. So when you want to know what is this dashed line, you can go back to the server. Yeah, dashed line is what? Hydrophobic interaction. Dashed line is what? Hydrophobic interaction. So hydrophobic themselves, isoleucine themselves is an hydrophobic interaction. So what residue they have mentioned here? Is my screen visible? My dear friends, is my screen visible? This 559 only we have spotted there. Clear? Am I making sense?
Yes.
Yeah, this is the hydrophobic interaction. So we have only one hydrophobic interactions. Same way, we have several hydrogen bonds. How many hydrogen bonds we have? Just count the number of blue lines. 1, 7 is there, correct? Check here whether all the 7 is present.
But I have just one question. Does it also mean that because at the beginning we decided only to use one position of the ligand inside the molecule? Does it
One,
also influence the number? So at the beginning you showed us that
yeah. See,
yeah,
out. Yes, please. Yes, please. I'll say. You can't
yeah.
read first. Yes.
I just wanted to say that maybe also these bonds between the ligand and the protein are also depending on the position of the ligand which we decided to use.
Correct.
Okay.
The answer is always prefer for number 1 because the number 1 is energetically feasible complex.
Okay.
I'll put in other words. The ligand itself fits in the center of the molecule in this orientation. Yesterday I explained, right? If I have a pen here, the best fit is, I do not know whether my camera is on, just sorry. Like yesterday I told, right? This best fit of this pen in my hand is this position only. This is position number 1. The position number 2 might be here. If you are choosing this second position, then the entire thing might be different. Clear, my dear friend?
Yes, it's clear. Yeah, thank you.
So that's all. Like that, you guys see each and every time you're putting efforts to name it and label it. Okay. So I always advise you go and save this session, file save session then and there. And so you can play with the mouse. Always use mouse, fine. You can rotate, you can change the mode, you can change the color. You can also pull this and keep it labeling. See, labeling is overlapping. There is a shortcut. You can click here, it will be editing mode. Then you can control and pull it out. Don't worry, people who are feeling it tough, I'm not doing any wonders. I'm just changing the mode, viewing mode to editing mode. Then I pressed control and dragged it out. See, I can drag anywhere here. Okay, that's the beauty of Python, PyMol. People who are feeling it tough, don't worry, leave it as it is. Okay, come on. Can we name fast for other hydrogen bonds? Again, I want to name this ligand. Let me complete this. I don't know whether I activated anything else. So it's quite simple for you guys. I think you can easily do this, the remaining. Okay, we have rename, we have to var in 512, and then we have to label. I found the reason why I'm getting that round because I kept in viewing editing mode. Okay, so always keep in viewing mode and rename. Clear? Any doubts in this? Can we proceed further?
Yeah, we can go further.
Lapo, it's not a big deal. You can easily check and correct yourself. Okay. Yeah. The concept is once you have saved this, you can also same concept. You can give ray and go and save the image. Okay. Each and every interactions. If you don't want the background, also you can hide the background as we did previously. We can hide the background and focus upon only the ligand. Clear? Yeah. So like that we can do. So after taking the images of it, then we can move on to tabulating the results. See, tabulating the results is none other than, I'll show an example tabulation. Give me a minute, I'm loading the file. Meanwhile, how about the project is going on? You guys started discussing? Are you satisfied with the ligand and a protein? You guys able to find the protein and ligand? Or you are expecting me to give? I'll come back to that. Okay, those who can able to do till this level, please raise your hands. Like you can able to rename the amino acids and able to take image, please raise your hands. Why only 6 hands? What about others? Feeling it tough? Okay, no worries. You can try later. Thank you all. You can lower your hands. You can try later by looking at the recording. Now I'm showing you a template PDF. Okay. So this is one of the manuscript we are trying for bioactive compounds of a particular plant, in which she also done with these many ligands. Okay, thank you, Aditya. You can lower your hands. Okay, this she tried with different ligands. If you remember properly, I might have shown this, correct? These are all PyMol images. Look the way she tabulated the results. How she put from PLIP? How she put this? See, what are the different changes from the real file and this particular table? For example, can we start with the hydrogen bonds? In your case, see, this is very, very important. Please listen carefully. Because doing experiments and getting results is not easy, is not a big deal. but documenting thing is a very important deal. Clear? Can someone say what is the change between what is the difference between the website wala and my document wala? See, we have performed only one ligand so far. For example, this is that ligand. I'm having glycine 367. How can I write here? No one?
Should use one letter code G.
Correct. G367. Correct. And all this distance, thank you. And all this distance, atom, angle are extra points. We don't want that. Rather, you can count the number of bonds. Okay, how many hydrogen bonds were there? See, for example, here 7 bonds were there. So I can write G37, V465, V465. Okay. Even if it's repeating twice, I can just include that. I don't want to write twice, but I can say number of bonds is 2 times. Okay. Like that, I have to write number of bonds and number of residues. Because in the manual, they won't require, the manuscript, they won't require a very detailed thing. Clear? Okay. I do not know how many of you have installed Discovery Studio. If you have installed, please open that. Once you open successfully, you should see an icon like this. Is it loading for all of you? Don't worry, we'll finish in a couple of minutes. Then file, open the complex. If you open the complex, you have to view like this. Come on. I think many of you are leaving the meeting. I do not know what happened. Make it fast. We'll finish. Okay, don't worry. If you're also able to not do, just observe the recording and do it later. Once I loaded, then I'll go for, okay, there will be an option called 2D. Show 2D diagram here. Click here. You'll get it. This is the number of interactions of this protein and ligand. I repeat again. I just file open. Then once you loaded, there will be an option for show 2D diagram. Clear? This is the way we have to download the molecule. You got it? Any doubts in this? Okay, before ending the session, I want a quick note about each team. How many of you are there from group 1? Please raise, sorry, group 4, please raise your hand. No one is from group 4? Group 5, anyone, please raise your hands. Yeah, Chaudhary is there. Good. Yeah, we have 3 active members from group 5. Okay. Oh, 4 members. Good. How the things are going on with your group? Is that fine? What ligand I gave you? Can someone from your group please answer?
Clavulonic acid.
Very good. Clavulonic acid. Yes, Vladimir. So you have chosen your protein also?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Please choose the protein. See, if you couldn't choose a protein, don't worry. You try to repeat the same with TEM. Clear?
So we are going to check the interaction between clavulonic acid and TEM1, yeah?
Exactly. But
Okay.
to have more practice, since you are a big team, like 4 people, I recommend you to go for a few more plant compounds.
So maybe everybody can check interaction with one protein and clavulanic acid.
That won't be fine. That's why.
Yeah. Okay.
From your end, you can try few more ligands. If not, in tomorrow's session, no, you can keep clavulanic acid as a what I can say. It's called standard. It's a standard. Okay. Remaining plant compounds. For example, if you take clove, we are having 5 to 6 compounds in clove. Like that, each and every spices will have different compounds. I would like to share you one more paper. That's what I thought. I'll give you an idea, but anyhow, tomorrow you'll have a detailed presentation. The idea is it's not only for their team, it's for the entire team. The idea is we are having a database for Indian plants. Of course, it can be any plants. Okay. We have a dedicated database for Indian plants. Does anyone aware of it? No? I don't want to close it. I kept it alive. I do not know where it happened. Yeah, it's here. His name is IMPAT. You can make a note of it. IMPATT. IMPATT. Clear? Indian medicinal plants, phytochemistry, and therapeutics. Okay. And I will also share a link. Okay, this link is saying about how many natural plant products are there. This is a very recent paper. It's for all the teams. Please go to the link and you can find the list of compounds where you can choose at least 5 to 10 compounds. So you can take 2 each. You guys can repeat docking for 2. Clear? And you also can have clavulanic acid for a standard drug.
Okay, can you just send a link for the paper in the
link is in the chat. You can go through. Okay, anyhow, I'll ask tomorrow Vasavi ma'am will give you an extra idea about what to do. She will also share a list of compounds to you. Okay. This is for your clarity. Yes, thank you. And now let us move on to group number 6. Group 6, please raise your hands. And meanwhile, 15 people are here. Please give your valuable feedback. It would be highly helpful for us. The link for feedback is shared. Is anyone is from group 6? See, I don't know. I won't ask much questions here. You can raise your hands if you are there. What about group 7 and 8?
Dr. Chandra, for time being, kindly ignore group 7 and 8.
No, okay. Yeah, we are closing it, right? Group 7, only group 7 is there, right?
No, only group 6.
Okay, sorry.
4, 5, 6 from 15 days interns and 7 and 8, please ignore for time being. Let's see, check will be done.
Yeah, fine. Yeah. So till group 6, it will be active. And regarding group 1, 2, 3, I have a speculation whether the third group is active. I do not know. How many of you are there from group 3?
Sir, I am there.
We have Indranil here. I just spoke with Samyukta, who is from group 3. Seems she is now feeling well. She will have some personal health issues.
Okay.
I will let you know about the other 2 persons.
Yeah,
sure.
because tomorrow we are going to share. Already we shared for group 1 and group 2. Those who are in group 3, active members of group 3, please join with either one of the group. You check with the
Dr. Chandru, that would be quite other idea on that. Maybe. Yeah. Indranil, could you please say us why you haven't joined today's session because before 7:30? Because we are already notified in Telegram that you will be coming to know the glucan and protein by today. Could you please say us, do you have any issues in joining us by the time, or what are the specific reason on that?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I was outside, ma'am. So I reached at 7:35. So just logged in at that time.
Oh.
I didn't see any your message in the drive.
Fine.
Very sorry.
Okay. Yeah. Dr. Chandru, I do have one concern on that. Maybe group 3, you can reveal the glycan and protein if you are okay right now with the internal. Regarding other members, I will definitely update in Telegram.
Yeah.
Is that okay for you?
The problem is, biggest problem is, these people have to carry till the level of manuscript. If they are not serious, there is no point in spoiling others. I'm sorry to say this, because from our previous experience, we faced it. Only few members will be active. That's why this time we are not randomly placed people. We placed based upon their performance. So Indranil, I'm really worried. You have not submitted your assignment. Okay. If you want to join with either group, or you want any normal protein to work upon, is that fine for you?
Yes,
Dr. Chandru, I just want to add on one thing. Sorry to interrupt you. I just want
Please,
to,
no problem.
I just want to say one thing regarding the protein and ligand, what on which the group they going to work. We do have separate discussion on that. Maybe you can check your WhatsApp group for this. And yeah, for time being, you can say, Mr. Indranil, the pipeline or the workflow so that you will get an idea. Regarding the specific protein and ligand on which they're going to work can be given by Vasavi ma'am tomorrow. Will that be fine?
Okay, fine. Yes.
Yeah, because I do have some other reasons which I cannot say open right now. We can check our
I got
WhatsApp
it.
group.
Yeah, we will give a protein and ligand to them. Yes. So
Maybe that can
Indranil,
be revealed tomorrow, but for time being, I'm just requesting Mr. Indrane to attend tomorrow's session and go what we are going to say in that session. So that is the only thing I can say right now.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
so all of
And
you, please attend tomorrow's session. You will have an exclusive session about the protein and ligand. Okay, you will have a clarity.
Yes, sir.
So it will be a quick session for 1 hour something, but please don't miss it.